What to eat for breakfast? One of the questions that I'm asked very often, so today I will share one of the easiest, quickest, and probably one of the most nutritious breakfasts that you can make. My name is Tanzila. I'm a clinical nutritionist. For more than 10 years, I help women to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty. So let's make this breakfast together. I will be using my blender, and we will add first hemp seeds. 1 or 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds. 1 or 2 soaked dates. I will be using 1. A little bit of maca powder, a pinch of cinnamon, and a half teaspoon of vanilla. And now let's add some water. And blend it. Okay, our hemp seed milk is ready. Now we will add the final ingredients. Okay, and then we will add chia seeds. I will add 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of cacao nibs. And now we will add our hemp seed milk. Cover up and shake. Okay, our chia seeds are almost ready. We just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes in room temperature, or you can put it in the refrigerator, and I will show you what will happen next. Our pudding is ready. I will add a little bit banana and blueberries. Let's try it. If you want to know more about how to look younger, live longer, and eat for beauty, please join the series of 4 video lessons, Principles of Optimal Health, Beauty and Energy on my website. And if you like this video, please let me know in the comments below and share with your friends or families. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.